Kimchi Hot Wings or Kimchi Wings. This one is actually very, very delicious, and actually, it's my favorite. So let's get started. All right, here it is. We start. Here's the wings. There are 8 wings, but we chopped it with the drummets and the flats. So now it's like 16 pieces. We start with the black pepper. All right, and then dried oregano or crushed oregano. There you go. And then some parsley, and also after this, thyme. You can actually season it how you want it. I just like using thyme, oregano, and parsley, so it's good. All right, now we mix it up good, and we let this sit for a while so that it kind of like starts to marinate. Okay, now here it is. Here, okay, we got the batter and the flour. The dry rub, the flour has black pepper and other spices, including the batter. As you can see, they're like small specks. That's the black pepper. I like it spicy like that. Okay. Now we dip it in the batter first, and then we get the flour to stick on the chicken, on the wings. Sorry. Okay, that's it. And now here we get the oil hot. Okay, and we use a small pot. This way, we don't consume too much oil. So we start here. We get to cook three at a time. So we put three. Okay, one more. Well, okay, now one more. All right. Yeah. Now we let it sit so it can cook. It's gonna be about between 5 to 6 minutes, and then we can check it. Here, now it's ready to turn. Oh, it's looking good. Yep, this is gonna be super awesome. Let me turn this again. Okay, there you go. All right. Now a few more minutes, like 5 minutes, and it should be done. Now we put this aside on the plate. We put the paper towel or tissue on the plate. This way it soaks up oil. This way the wings won't be super oily. There you go. And we can do the rest of the batch. And of course, that's gonna bore you guys. So here it is, all done now. Yeah. Oh, you can actually eat this like this. It's still gonna be good with ketchup. Oh, this is all already good. But of course, we gotta do with the kimchi now. Okay, get the pan warmed up. We put a spoon of butter. Well, we're gonna melt it now. Let it melt for a while. Yes. And then we get some onions, half an onion. We chop it up. Okay, there you go. Half of a small onion or medium sized, and then some crushed garlic, about 3 or 4 cloves. So of course, now we cook this good now. We lower the heat because it might burn the butter. Okay, now once that settles, now here is a bottle of kimchi. It's 200 grams, but this is a half a bottle, so we use all of it. So it's 100 grams of kimchi. Oh, it smells good. Yep, and mix that. Oh my gosh, this is really, really good. Yep, mix it well. Come on. That's it. Leave that. And once it's ready, get about 2 spoons of water just to get it some more sauce. Because the fried chicken would actually soak it up. Yes. Let it cook for a bit more. Now we throw in the chicken wings. Now we mix it all well. Oh, that chicken jumped off. It was alive. Sorry about that. Okay, there, now you can turn off the heat because this is gonna get tossed like this, mixed up well. Oh, this looks delicious. You guys should try this. It's gonna be really awesome. Oh, okay, now we'll go serve it up now. Here it is. Oh yeah. Now you can eat this as is or with rice. This is gonna be really good. So If you like this, of course, you can click on the next one if you want some more good stuff. Of course, subscribe if you haven't. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll try that. Oh my goodness. Yep, actually, I can actually finish all of this. Thank you.